Hello students, I welcome all the students of class 1 for maths online class. We are doing the chapter subtraction up to 10. So yesterday we have done subtraction facts. Subtraction facts we have done up to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Isn't it? Up to 5 we have done in our previous class. Now today we are going to do 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so let us start, children. This is same as yesterday's, so if possible you try to do it yourself. I am very sure you are able to do, but I know some of you are very lazy in doing, so now you have to do along with me. Okay, these are very easy things. Picture is given, you have to look and write. Okay, so here, as I told before, 6 buttons are given. Out of that, all the buttons are there. No, none of the buttons are crossed, isn't it? That means 6 minus 0 will be 6. Okay, so no change. Now, subtraction facts. As I told you, when 0 is minus 6, then when 0 is minus from 6, you get the same answer 6. Then when you minus 1, that means 1 is increased here, right? 1 is increased here. 0, then 1. That means when 0 minus, then 6. Then when you minus 1, it will become how much? It will be 5, right? And when you minus 2, then it will become 1 more less. When it is increasing here 1, the answer will be 1 less. Okay? When you increase the number from the 6 minus 3, you have increased the number from 2 to 3. That means the number will become, your answer will become 1 more less. So 6 minus 3 will be 3. Here 6 minus, here 1 more, 1 is added more. 6 minus 4, 3 became 4. So the answer will be 2. Okay. So here it will be how much? 5. And here it will be 6 minus 6. That means completely crossed. In the picture also you can see. In any way you can understand it, by seeing the picture or by using your logic. But I will say, if you use your logic, it will be very easy, it will be good for you. Okay, so that you can do mental calculations as well. So 6 minus 1 will be 5 here, right? So those who are not able to calculate it mentally, you may count, okay, the buttons and cross buttons, and then you write down how much is left here. Okay. Now here how many buttons are there? 6 buttons. Out of that 3 are crossed, right? 3 crossed means 6 minus 3 will be 3. Alright. In the same way here 6 buttons are there. Out of that 4 buttons are crossed. That means you have 2 buttons, right? Here 6 minus 5 will be 1 and 6 minus 6 will be 0. Alright children, it is very easy. Now in the same way, let us do subtraction fact of 7. When you do subtraction facts of 7, here the numbers will be all 7. Okay, 7 minus 0, 7 minus 1, 7 minus 2, it will go on like that. When you do subtraction fact of 8, you will get the number C. 7 means 7 minus 0, 7 minus 1, 7 minus 2, okay, 7 minus 3, 7 minus 4, alright. And when you are doing the subtraction fact of 8, you are getting 8 minus 0, 8 minus 1, 8 minus 2, 8 minus 3, 8 minus 4, 8 minus 5, 8 minus 6, 8 minus 7, 8 minus 7. When you do subtraction factor of 9, you will start from 9, okay, and when you do subtraction factor of 10, you will start from 10. Alright children? Okay. Now let us write it. So 7 minus 0, so none of the buttons are crossed, that means 7 minus 0 will be 7 itself. Now 7 minus 1, when it is 7 here, that means 1 will become less or not? Yes, so it will become 6. So if it is 6 here, it will become 5 here. Understand? It was 0, increased to 1, increased to 2. So 7 decreased by 1, here again decreased by 1, 5. Okay, those who can understand in this method, it is very good. Otherwise, those who don't understand that one, you count the buttons, okay, and the cross buttons and write down. So 7 minus 3 will be how much children? How many buttons are left out? 4. Now 7 minus 3 means how many buttons are left out? 3 buttons are left out. Here how many buttons are left out? 2 buttons are left out. Here only 1 button is left out. 7 minus 6 means only 1 is left out, so 1. Okay, 7 minus 7 means nothing is left out, so 0. Okay, or you can understand this way also. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Like backward counting. Okay, here it is from forward counting. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Alright. Okay, now subtraction factor of 8. So this is 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0. Nothing is crossed out. So you have to write the answer. How much, children? 8 itself. Yes. Now the next one is 1 is crossed. So it will become 7. 8 minus 2 will be how much, children? It will be, yes, it will be 6. Here it will be 5. 1 is decreasing, isn't it? 8, 7, 6, 5. Then it will be 4, right? Then here it will be 3, then 2, 1 and 0. That means decreasing process, backward process you wrote down. Otherwise what you will do? You will count, nothing is crossed, so 8, total 8 came. 1 is crossed, remaining is 7, so 7. Okay, 2 crossed, remaining buttons are 6, so 6. Okay, out of 8, 3 buttons are crossed and the remaining buttons are 5, 4 and 5. So we wrote here 5. Now here 4 buttons are crossed, remaining is 4, so we wrote it 4 here. Okay, 8 minus 5 is how much? 3, so 3 you wrote here. 8 minus 6, how many is remaining? 2. Okay, 8 minus 7, how many buttons are remaining? 1, so you wrote 1 here. So total buttons are crossed, so 0. Okay, so it is like that. Okay, I hope you understood very nicely this one. So what I am going to do, you know, I am going to give you homework. Okay, homework you will do yourself. Subtraction facts for 9 and subtraction facts for 10. Okay, try this, we will do in our next class. Okay, subtraction fact of 9 and 10, you try to do it yourself. Understand? So only this much in today's class, children. Hope you enjoyed the class. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself and be safe at home. Okay, bye bye.